Starlink represents a revolutionary approach to internet connectivity, using a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites to deliver high speed internet anywhere on Earth. Unlike traditional satellite internet that uses geostationary satellites positioned 35,000 kilometers above Earth, Starlink operates at just 340 to 1,200 kilometers altitude. This dramatically reduces signal travel time and latency. Starlink is now available in over 70 countries worldwide, covering areas between 60 degrees north and 60 degrees south latitude. This includes most populated regions of Earth. The standard Starlink kit includes everything you need to get connected. Let's examine each component and understand what comes in the box. Before installation, proper site preparation is crucial. The most important requirement is a clear view of the sky. The Starlink app includes an obstruction checker to help you find the perfect location. Power planning is essential for a successful installation. Starlink consumes 50 to 75 watts on average, but can peak at 180 watts during startup or when melting snow. Ensure you have adequate electrical supply within cable reach. Finally, download the Starlink app before you begin. This essential tool guides you through installation, helps identify obstructions, manages your network settings, and monitors system performance. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. You now understand what Starlink is, what comes in the kit, and how to prepare for installation. In the next section, we'll walk through the actual installation process step by step. Now, we'll walk through the complete installation and setup process. This involves 7 key steps to get your Starlink system fully operational. Step 1. Place your Starlink dish in the location you identified during planning. The dish needs a clear view of the sky with no obstructions above 25 degrees elevation. Step 2. Route the cable from your dish to where you'll position the router. Avoid sharp bends that could damage the cable, and keep the routing path as direct as possible. Here's the complete power setup diagram, showing how all components connect together. The dish connects to the power supply, which then connects to your router via Ethernet. Step 4. Allow 15 to 20 minutes for the dish to automatically acquire satellite signals. The dish will orient itself and establish connection with the Starlink constellation. Step 5. Download the Starlink app and create your account. The app will guide you through network configuration, including setting your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 6. Connect your devices to the new Starlink network. You can connect phones, computers, tablets, and other Wi-Fi-enabled devices using the network name and password you configured. Step 7. Use the app's built-in speed test to verify your connection. Typical download speeds range from 50 to 200 megabits per second, with some areas exceeding 300 megabits per second. Installation complete. If you encounter any issues during setup, professional installation services are available in most markets to ensure optimal performance.